Oh hi! Today is the start of my Zodiac series. Are you excited? And today I'm going to be doing Scorpio. I know nothing about zodiac signs or anything like that, so I do have Google up. And of course Google and Pinterest obviously help with the inspiration behind the makeup look, okay, and we will kind of get into that. So basically the many traits and positive traits that Scorpios have is determination, ambition and loyalty. So because of those traits I thought of doing something quite strong. Of course with the winged liner it is very fierce, it is very big, but also like the eyeshadow I've kept it quite soft and minimal. But combined with the statement lip and the winged liner, I think that the whole look, it's kind of given head turning. It's given head turning, confident and just edgy. So I feel like this makeup look kind of does represent Scorpio. By all means, you can tell me what you think. I just feel like with the positive traits of Scorpio, like what have I done? So basically this is what I want to do for the rest of them, by the way. Like just kind of look at the traits, depending on of course what they are, and getting inspiration from, as I say, Google, maybe Pinterest and stuff, and creating a makeup look based on the traits. Does that make sense? So like whether it's powerful or feminine or I don't know, but basically I feel like this is really going to get my brain thinking, working and being creative. Let's just get into it. I'm gonna give this another go. So this is the whyyy glowing gripping primer. Hello. Hello. For real. I love the idea behind this primer. You know, like a primer that's going to have stick and tack to it and prolong the wear of your makeup, but also providing like a nice glow. You know, it sounds so good, right? It's like a mixture of everything, plus it does feel like quite nice and hydrating whenever you're massaging it into the skin. But I think the last time I used this, which was the first time I used it, that it just doesn't sit well with my skin or my foundation or something, and it actually ended up peeling. You know, like peeling and pulling. I'm going to try it again with a foundation that I know and love, which is these two. I feel like you're going to be absolutely sick to death of me mentioning this, but just in case you're new here, and I don't want to be called a racist because I have to say I usually don't let things get to me, and things don't get to me, but if you're going to call me something that I'm not, I'm only human, and yes, it does get underneath my skin. But the only reason I'm wearing my hair in plaits like this is I kind of use it as like heatless curls. This is my version of heatless curls because I love how it makes my, I was going to say my skin, because I love how my hair looks once I take these plaits out. So this is why I have my hair like this. I'm not trying to be disrespectful. Do you know, what shade is this? Oh, that's why. I was just thinking I'm hella orange. That's the wrong shade. I usually use N4, but this is N5. But that foundation is going on quite nice on top of this primer. So, can any of you remember? I must actually go back and see what foundation it was I used with this. So, I don't know. Although this foundation is that thick and full coverage that it really doesn't matter what you put underneath it. This palette is so old, I probably shouldn't even be using it. This is the Simple Beauty, the Painter's palette. Gorgeous palette. Very unused. I think I've used this only a couple of times, but I'm sure it'll be fine, right? So I'm just going to use this transitional colour and pop this in the crease. I think with my Zodiac series, please don't be mad, but I don't think I'm going to do all 12. I have on my phone the list that I'm thinking of doing. Where is my phone? Oh. Okay, so what I'm intending on doing is, of course, Scorpio, Leo, because that's my zodiac sign, Sagittarius, Gemini, Virgo, Libra, Capricorn and Aquarius. If there is any other zodiac signs you just really want me to do, let me know. Every cloud actually, let's just go up to this. Yes, so really just focusing that on the outer corner and just blending in on the lid and the crease. And then out. Back into the first brush. Wee bit of the first shade we took. You know, for this palette being ancient, it's actually blending really well. And like the pigment's there. I'm gonna mix the gold and the silver and see what we can kind of come up with. Ooh. Oh no, that's actually everything I wanted. Taking a wee bit more of the gold, just on its own actually. And just hitting the center, just of the lid there. I'm going to take a gel liner. I have a winged liner brush from Sigma that looks really good. I haven't used it before. Yeah, the E75 angled brow brush from Sigma. And this Toxic Trait gel liner is from Pink Honey. What's Up Beauty. If you've seen my previous video, I think I might actually use a pair of these lashes. These are the 4D Bay lashes. I think I'll use these. I'll definitely need to trim them. And then just get these stuck on. I think I'll take these off first. Okay, how are we looking? This is the one from Lancome. So I'm bringing the gel liner just over a wee bit. I think this will look quite different, I think. I don't know. Just hoping for the best. And then, I don't know if that just looks edgy, like that, or should I blend it a wee bit? I think I'll blend it a wee bit. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. I know it might look maybe a wee bit silly, but I'm not finished with the eyes just yet. I want to do some inner corner liner and everything, but I like to do that. Why is the camera? Oh, I was wondering why we were so zoomed in looking. But I'm gonna do that after I finish my face. So concealer, this is from Huda Beauty. So I have two shades of these. These are from the Beauty Crop Liquid Bronzer Glow Milk. I have the shades Caramel and Almond. What shade was I took the last time? I think it was Almond I took the last time. These are so confusing, you know, because they're called the Glow Milk, right? I mentioned this the last time I used these, and you would assume that they had like a shimmer or a glow or something to them, but they don't. Like, I've swatched them. I'm like, yeah. But you see, if you look at these online, you can see in the swatch that they've put in these online, there's shimmer in them. Is that false advertising, or am I just not seeing any shimmer in these? There's no shimmer in these at all. Glowy Worth It medium. Okay, so I'm taking the Lemme liquid blush from L'Oreal. And I was just looking at the shade, and on top it says 635, fair enough. But Glowy Worth It medium, that's hardly the shade of this blush. Glowy Worth It medium. How stunning is this colour that I think it'll just go beautiful with this makeup look, especially since we're going nice and glossy and glowy red on the lips. And then this is from the Beauty Crop as well. It's their highlighter, luminous powder highlight in the shade Glimmer. That's just what it looks like there. Oh, that looks so pretty. It's actually such a pretty highlighter. The colour of it looks really nice. Whoa! It's really intense. Oh, do you know what book I've been reading at the minute? And it's so good. I literally cannot put it down, and it's actually really surprising. Like, I don't like, and I don't really do like autobiographies and stuff with celebrities. Like, I really don't care about anybody else's life that much. But somebody just bought me this book for Christmas, and it's the Britney Spears book, like her newest autobiography. Oh, what's it called? The Woman in Me or something. So I have been reading it, and I have to say, oh my goodness, I highly recommend it, especially if you're a Britney Spears fan, but even if you're not, because I'm not. Like, don't get me wrong, I like the majority of Britney Spears' songs, but I would never say that I was like a fan or anything, but it is so good. It really is so, so good. All the men in her family seem to be absolute tossers, although what's new, right? And Justin Timberlake, what a wee screw. You just want to flick him in the dick. Oh, what a turd. Was never a fan of his either, to be honest. But oh my goodness, what a dick. But no, I highly recommend. I'm only like halfway through it, to be honest, so I haven't got to the stage yet where like she's even had her kids. I haven't got to the stage yet where she's married Kevin Federline. Is that his second name? This is from What's Up Beauty, their new bronzers in the shade Tan. Right. There's nothing I hate more than putting on a lip liner and it looking fluffy. That happens to me all the time. I swear, as I'm getting older, as I get older, I'm getting hairier. Are you not supposed to lose hair as you get older? But of course, in the wrong places, right? I'm going to be using the Twilight New Moon lip kit, basically. So the lip liner and the lipstick. So the lip liner is in the shade Vampire Laws. This is a beautiful lip liner colour, by the way. The lipstick is in the shade Vampire Royalty. So this is one of their PowerPoint lipsticks from Colourpop. These are no joke, like seriously. Jesus Christ. As in, they're a nightmare to remove off your lips. They're no joke. So if you're looking for a really intense, like true red that isn't going to budge anywhere, looking further. Not complaining. But just whenever I'd done my tutorial with the Twilight collection, I obviously tried this on, showed you that it was a nightmare to get off, and also I swatched it my hands, nightmare to get off. And it has like a really nice like matte finish as well. Back in with the liquid liner. This is always like the hardest bit. Like, I was able to do it perfectly fine on this eye, but making it even? No. Ugh. I have like a massive clump of mascara. Ew. This is the metallic lip gloss. Pray for me. And it's in the shade Runs with Vampires. I don't do lip gloss, especially bright red. But this is pretty. I feel like I want my lips to be redder though. Like, what's the issue? Oh yeah. You see a really fierce wing and a red lip. Oh, it's so boss. I honestly feel like this makeup look is giving man repellent, and I'm living for it. It's so good. I love. What do you think? Is that everything? Are we done? Other products that I did use, we'll list it link down below. Oh, hold on. In the description box, and do let me know, like, if you really want me to do another zodiac sign that I didn't say from my list. Please do let me know, you know, and I'll have a wee nosy. But I just, as I say, these were just random ones. I wasn't doing any of these for any particular reason, apart from obviously Leo, because that's my star sign, zodiac sign. Star sign, zodiac sign, same thing, right? So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.